Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll to find proper section security. Now let's scroll down and find unknown sources, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher. Your device is informing you that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that. And after tapping on OK, this option is active, which simply means that you can download apps from unknown sources. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.